Welcome to this short video on the Spreadsheet Properties tool, which is part of the new Kobe Toolkit for AutoCAD. The Spreadsheet Properties command allows you to select any object on screen. You can select multiple objects and multiple types of objects. And then you can make these edits to these objects in a spreadsheet looking interface, or you could save it out as an Excel spreadsheet and then edit it there and then bring it back in. To demonstrate this, I'm going to select a few objects on screen. There are going to be multiple types of objects. I'm going to come up to the Kobe Toolkit for AutoCAD ribbon. I'm going to come over to the Modify panel. I'm going to select Spreadsheet Properties. The Spreadsheet Properties dialog box comes up, and in here it shows you all the like properties of all the objects I've selected. So I've got material, line type, scale, line type, and so on. Now I can make some changes here. Let's say I want to change all of the layers to the water layer. So I'm just going to drag and drop that down. And I'm going to change the colors here to say, let's just change them all to red. Now I could save this out as an Excel spreadsheet like I mentioned before, and I could make these edits and then bring it back in. I could open it up and then just apply them. All I'm going to do here is just go apply and close. And now you can see everything turned red. If I select this object here, go to the properties, it should be on the water layer. I'll exit out of that. Now that dialog box in the spreadsheet editor looks different depending on what you have selected. So if I select just some blocks, I go to the spreadsheet properties. Now you can see the positions of the blocks. They got the block names and then all the other properties in there. So this will actually display the different properties of the objects that you have selected. So we're going to go ahead and get out of this. I'm going to escape, and this concludes this short video